What's up, everybody? It's your vegan friend Ethan here. Got another recipe coming at you. This one's going to be like a breakfast recipe. This is just what I have for breakfast. I just filmed it at the same time. Really having a fun time doing this. Hope you guys are having fun watching these videos. So this is the first element. This is our toast. We're going to have two different types of toast. We're going to have hummus toast, and we're also going to have some avocado toast. And it's going to be really great. We have here whole wheat bread, tomato, horseradish, hummus, avocado, clover sprouts, and mushrooms. And over here we have the smoothie that is absolutely fantastic. It is made of spinach, frozen blueberries, frozen banana, a Granny Smith green apple, almond milk, and some Vega protein powder. Just gonna blend all that up together, but first we gotta chop up these vegetables. As you can see in the bottom left hand side, the tomatoes cut up in two different ways. I did that for some fancy reason that I will tell you later. So first we're going to start off with these mushrooms. We're just going to put them in there. We're also going to get our toast going. And we're going to have these mushrooms get nice and brown. Again, pretty much however you want them, but as long as you enjoy them in slow motion. That's important. But now we're going to take our smoothie while that's going, and we're going to get that going. So we have the banana, we have the whole apple. That's 1.5 frozen bananas, by the way. And we're also going to take these blueberries, add these in there. A little bit of that protein powder. As I said, I don't really use that much. It's just more of a really nice flavor. And yeah, we're going to take the spinach, add it in there. I like to add a lot of spinach to my smoothies just because I don't really have that many greens throughout the day, so it's good to get them all in at once and with great flavor. So with the almond milk, you're just going to add as much as you really want, as thin as you want, or as thick as you want, really. And when these mushrooms are almost done, you're going to add the tomatoes to them, and just get those nice and crispy. We got everything in our blender here, so we're going to blend it up. Once we got it blended up, we're going to pour it into a nice big old glass. Wow, that looks good. Oh. Anyways, so we're now going to set up our toast. As you can see, I already set up one of the pieces of toast. We've got our avocado that I just mashed up with some seasonings, as you like. As you can see in the top left-hand side, there's one with hummus already on it, and tomato, horseradish, and clover sprouts. And then the bottom-hand side is I spread over the guacamole. Well, not really guacamole, but it's just mashed avocado. And then I added the tomato and mushroom and just piled on as much as I really wanted. And then I just grabbed these clover sprouts and just sprinkled them on there real nice. And this was absolutely fantastic. I had such a good time eating this. I mean, look at that. It just looks so good. So many great colors. It's just absolutely fantastic. I really enjoyed this meal. And adding on top of that was just the smoothie. It was just like dessert for breakfast, but it was just amazing. I mean, look at that thing. Oh, I'm getting thirsty thinking about it. Jesus. Anyways, everybody, this is your vegan friend Ethan here with another recipe. Hope you all enjoyed it. Please follow, subscribe, do all that. It's your vegan friend Ethan signing out. Peace, y'all.